Here are the best 6 side hustles for 2023. Let's jump right in with side hustle number 1, becoming a freelance writer. Anyone wishing to launch or advance their profession in the modern digital world needs to have the ability to write compelling content. Additionally, there are several online options to start your own business, and article writing could be a successful side gig. Finding the proper clients and creating high-quality material that fits their objectives are essential for success as a content writer. There are numerous ways to profit from your freelance business. For your blog or website to get seen, you must write interesting material. There are a lot of people out there that would pay you to perform the writing they need done, but it can be a little time-consuming. Ad hoc and temporary writing of any kind is considered freelance writing. Employers receive the essential tasks completed at fairly reasonable rates, and freelancers are paid for their effort. Since content writers are sometimes scheduled months in advance, you can acquire the credit and have a consistent job that pays well. Getting your foot in the door is all that is necessary. If this sparks your interest, you can learn and post your skills on Fiverr for a fee. Next up is renting your car. How many people you know overspend on rentals? So renting your car will be lucrative. Rent out your vehicle, if you already have one, to persons who will need to travel short distances by car. If you offer people a convenient service, they'll pay big money for it. To discover someone eager to hire your car, you must work hard. Some people may have a long-term desire for it. Others may only require it for a few hours. If you're interested in renting your car out, try the website Toro, where people are making tons of money doing this side hustle. From renting luxury cars to regular vehicles, it's definitely a growing trend. One of my favorite side hustles is dropshipping. Selling products without actually keeping them in stock is known as dropshipping. The most well-known instance of this is when you buy something on Amazon and drop ship it to a customer. Dropshipping is one of the top side business ideas because it is one of the most fastest ways to earn extra cash. Due to the absence of additional cost and logistical issues, this is advantageous for both the buyers and the sellers. Along with significant advantages, it requires a lot of time and work to stand out and get the most orders. If you're looking to make extra cash, just put dropshipping in your YouTube search and you'll find hundreds of videos that will guide you. Next up will be affiliate marketing programs. Advertisers pay affiliate networks to display affiliate adverts on behalf of their affiliate marketing, a type of online marketing and business model. It's simple. Affiliate ad clicks result in affiliate sales, which bring in money for both the advertiser and the affiliate network. There are affiliate programs available for a wide range of goods, including electronics, apparel, and even spaceflight. Affiliate networks are essential in affiliate marketing. Affiliate networks coordinate paychecks, track sales on affiliate programs, and link sponsors with affiliate marketers. Flex offers, CJ Affiliate, and Share a Sale are all well-known affiliate networks. You may find affiliate programs for nearly everything thanks to a wide variety of affiliate marketing networks available. Up next, try vlogging. Many people are resorting to vlogging as a side business in the modern digital age. Sharing your views and ideas with the world through vlogging can be quite beneficial. Here are a few pointers to get you started if you're interested in vlogging. Create a YouTube channel to begin with. If you want to generate passive income from your side business idea, you don't need to have a lavish budget or anything fancy. All you need to do is record an introduction video in which you describe what you're doing for a living. Post videos frequently to your channel after it has been established. Social media can help you achieve a powerful goal you want to express via your videos by attracting viewers who share your ideologies. This will increase traffic to your material and potentially lead to additional sources of cash to cover your expenses. Once your channel becomes extremely well known, lots of businesses may get in touch with you for direct branding or word-of-mouth promotion of their company, which is another method to earn extra cash. Finally, start a Shopify store. The platform for setting up and managing your own e-commerce business, Shopify is a simple use. Additionally, if you utilize Shopify for dropshipping, running an online store may be surprisingly passive, even if it sounds like a lot of labor. I'll explain. Your e-commerce site is built on the Shopify platform, which offers over 70 customizable themes, a drag and drop editor, and custom domains. You choose products that you can drop ship to sell on the website. You don't handle, store, or transport these items. All you're doing is listing them for sale, and then you link the buyer with the seller. Hopefully you like the content in this video, and if you've been looking to generate extra cash regularly, you'll consider one or more of these side hustles. It's never too late to start your new side business. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.